If you have lower back pain, joint pain, shoulder pain, any kind of muscle pain or joint pain, and you want to get relief from it, you want to make use of cayenne pepper and castor oil. Cayenne pepper is a stimulant, it stimulates the area, but more importantly, it pushes blood flow to the area and increases circulation around the body, which allows the area to heal itself or to relieve the inflammation. The castor oil has the unique ability of penetrating an area and breaking down any obstructions in the area. So when you combine the castor oil and the cayenne pepper together, you're going to have a very powerful remedy for relief of pain. A product like this here called the kidney filtration oil can be used for the kidneys to help stimulate the kidneys, to stimulate the thyroid as well, apply it on the thyroid, but also good for your joints and joint pains. So you apply it on the area and you have in here castor oil, you have cayenne pepper, wintergreen, peppermint. These all boost blood flow to the area and also give you that calm and nurturing feel to the area, allowing you to get relief from the pain.